just been called in for an emergency. Quick. First of all, we need gloves, apron, glasses, and lights. And now we need is screwdrivers. Let's get into action. Now we go into toilet. First thing is, it's not working. So first thing we're going to do now is pull the cassette out, see what's happening. So this is the cassette. First of all, fingers up, pull it out. As you'll see, there's no problem with the slider. So there's nothing wrong with the cassette. So the problem is then inside here. Follow me. Right. Inside up there now, there's a blade and like a gear next to it. So what I think it is the gear has come off the blade. So we'll have to take the blade off, take the gear off. It needs adjustment. Let's slight adjustment. Let's find the screw again. There you are. Needs slight adjustment. That's all it needs. Which positions are in now? Close or open? Huh?
Go left, go right.
Right, I think it's right there now, I think. Right there.
Yeah.
Hang on, leave it a minute. 2 seconds. I'm tightening them up. Try slowly now. Great, the other way. Excellent. Job done. So all you're going to do is marry it. Okay. Yeah, we had trouble opening and closing the toilet. And that's all we done is realigned this. It just came loose. The gear against the bar. And that's all we done is slacken that off, put the teeth back in, tighten them up, and the job is done. Working perfectly now. Next thing we're going to do is push the toilet back in, and as you can see down the hole, toilet cassette is going in. All the way in?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Next job we're going to do is make sure it's working. Pull the handle that way and it opens up. Now close it up. Working perfectly. There we are. Job done.
Yay!
Now we got a toilet.
Now we got a toilet.
Now if that's useful to you, let us know in the comment. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and the old thumbs up. Adios for now.